Hello friends, don't judge people by their looks and appearance. Judge them by their energies. There's some people when they come to your life, your zeal for a particular plan dies. Like I used to post on YouTube, but this person that just came into my life, my zeal for YouTube dies. I couldn't post again for more than a month. Now it has gotten to like 2 months or thereabout. I've not posted any significant things on YouTube because that person came into my life. I've been monitoring the system, I've been monitoring the energies that person have been posting into my life. Now that person may not know it, but there is something that is in that person that is contrary to my success. Now I either deal with that energy or I stay away from that person. But if I love the person, I begin to put energies, I begin to transmit energies into the person's life that will make the person to emit the kind of energies I want.